The internet has the power to connect you with anyone. In the Good Habits lesson, Make It Click, unlock the art of forming meaningful connections online. Explore 5 activities to enhance your digital relationships while staying authentic and secure on digital platforms. Get inspired by watching Peter Varga, founder of Humans of Dublin, share his approaches to building digital connections. Read this article to find out whether concerns about technology disrupting relationships are justified. Read about how to remain authentic online while staying safe from cyber threats. Uncover 4 compelling stories of individuals who discovered meaningful interactions in the digital world. And finally, find out if you can help connections thrive by solving this dilemma. Transform your digital interactions and make it click today.